Hello, good morning. Okay, you open your notebook and write the date. Today is Monday, 21st September 2020. Topic Robin Hood. Performance read page 10 to 15. Okay, you can stop the video in this moment and copy the date, topic, and performance and continue. Okay, we continue with the story. Robin Hood in this moment was in the forest, remember? And we start. Just then Robin heard a noise in the bushes behind him. They are the bushes. En los arbustos. He listened something. Escuchó algo. Listen. Okay, heard. He turned around and saw two young men staring at him. He saw two men, one and two. He saw two men not sit down or sitting, no, standing. And Robin jumped up. He raised his bow and arrow and took aim. Entonces él los mira, se voltea, saltó, así se volteó y les apuntó. Look that, aquí, took aim, con su flecha y su arco. Who are you? And they say, don't worry, friends, we won't hurt you. My name is Milt, and this is Will Scared. Entonces, Milt and this, and ellos le dicen, él le dice, who are you? Who are you? ¿Quién es usted? ¿Quiénes son ustedes? Who are you? Don't worry, no se preocupe, friends. We won't hurt you. No le vamos a hacer daño. Y le dice los nombres. What is your name? My name is Robin of Locksley. What are you doing here? Entonces ya ellos le preguntan, what are you doing here? Okay, look. Who are you? ¿Quién es usted? Y ellos preguntan, what are you doing here? Okay, continue. Pongámoslo more slow, un poquito más pequeño. Okay. The two young men told Robin that they were hunting in the forest. Ellos se están escondiendo en el bosque. They too were outlaws. Significa forajidos. And they were afraid of the king. Ellos le tienen miedo. Afraid, estaban temerosos del rey. We kill animals to eat and chop down wood to make fires. But the king finds out and he will send the sheriff to arrest us and hunt us. ¿Ok? Ellos lo que hacen es matar, pero para comer y cortar los árboles. And nobles, the rich men, force us to pay them lot of money for food and for our houses. Yes, the rich people in this country, él le cuenta a Robin que the rich men, los hombres ricos, force us, los fuerzan, los obligan, have to pay them a lot of money, yes, for food and for our houses. We haven't got enough money. Nosotros no tenemos tanto dinero. So we have to hide here in the forest. You see, if we don't pay, they'll put us in jail. Si nosotros tienen el problema que si ellos no le pagan, le están contando a Robin que sí, que ellos cazan y pescan, no, cazan y cortan árboles para hacer fuego y que ellos le tienen que pagar a las personas ricas para comer su comida. Mira, aquí dice, to pay them a lot of money for food and for our houses. Tienen que pagar por la comida, food y sus propias casas. Entonces, sigamos. Robin listened the middle and Will speak, and he became very angry. Yes? The rich man's laws were unfair and Robin wanted to help the poor. He decided to help, ayudar the poor people. Okay, continue. Okay. He decided, okay, well, they chose Robin as their leader, and they called themselves the Merry Men. The Merry Men called Robin Hood, okay? Ellos lo cogen a él como su líder. Follow the leader, follow the leader. From now on, we will take money for the nobles who steal from the poor, and we will give it back to the poor. They need it more. ¿Ok? Entonces él les dice, from now on, como desde ahora, we will take the money for the rich people who steal from the poor. Entonces van a coger el dinero de la gente rica que le roba a las pobres, and we will eat back, y se los van a regresar a los pobres. They need it more. Ellos necesitan esto más. Y todos los dicen, hooray for Robin Hood, hooray, hooray, ¿ok? Years passed, and Robin and his merry men became famous throughout the land. Fueron famosos en la tierra, en esa región. The poor people love Robin. They love. The poor, los pobres, the poor people loved Robin. He was their hero because he gave them food and money. Yes? Sí, ustedes entienden. I don't translate. But the greedy nobles hate him, and they were scared to go into the forest because Robin often took their money, so they asked to the sheriff of Nottingham to arrest him. The rich people, don't laugh. The poor people laughed Robin, but the rich people didn't love him. No lo odiaban, hate, los ricos, los nobles. And they were scared, ellos estaban temerosos, to go to the forest because Robin often took their money, so they asked to the sheriff of Nottingham, él es el sheriff of Nottingham, is to arrest him. The sheriff hated Robin Hood too. Él también lo odiaba a Robin. He tried to catch him many times, but he never succeeded. Él lo había tratado de capturar, pero no había podido, nunca había sucedido. Sheriff, one day I will get Robin Hood. I will get him, even if it is the last things I do. Okay, very good. Él dice, así sea la última cosa que haga, pero lo voy a capturar. And now this is the activity for you. Remember, you can do this activity in your notebook. Si no tienes el libro, lo puedes hacer en tu cuaderno. Tienes que, por favor, te estoy entregando el video, te estoy entregando la escritura para que lo puedas hacer sin necesidad del libro. No es necesario que hagas las partes de las figuras, sino la parte escrita, ¿ok? Okay, I write here, Robin read and match 1 to 6 and 8 to F. You join, lo unes. This is the second point. Complete the sentences with the words in the box. Okay, and then match, lo unes para los que sí tengan el libro. Los que no, no se preocupen. Aquí no se alcanza a ver, la palabra es worry, preocupado. Y la otra es forest, bosque. Worry, W-O-R-R-Y, and forest, F-O-R-E-S-T, forest. And this is. Look that. This is true or false. Aquí son los cuadritos. Solamente tienes que escribir si es verdadero o falso. It's not necessary that you send me, okay? No es homework, it's one activity. Es una actividad. Y este último punto sí solamente para los que tengan su libro. Solamente para los que tengan el libro, por favor, porque sí es muy complejo porque tiene muchas ilustraciones, image. They have a lot of image. That. Like this. And you complete according with you read while Robin was in the forest. Yes, and you complete according with the picture, you complete the story. Okay, my students, this is the activity for today. Remember, only point 1, 2, and 3, and the point 4 no. Okay, goodbye. See you.